Hi, I'm Maisie Howard. I'm the Director of Development and Communications at Vermont Works for Women. And for this week's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to sew on a button. So you'll need a few supplies. You'll need a hand sewing needle, some thread, a pair of scissors, and the button that you want to sew on. So the first thing you want to do is cut yourself a pretty long piece of thread. You're going to be folding it over in half, so you want to have twice as much thread as you think you'll need. So after you cut your thread, you want to put the thread through the needle, fold it over, and you can tie a knot on the end either by just looping around, or you can run it on your finger like this to make a nice tight knot at the end. So now we're going to sew on our button. Make sure you have a nice strong knot in your thread. And this button has 4 holes. So with our thread, we're going to make a little X. So I made it go through the holes one way. Now we'll come back through the other holes to make an X. And if you were doing this, you would probably want to do that a few times to make it nice and strong. I'm going to show you another way to make it so that the button won't fall off on you. Feed the needle through to the back behind the button, but don't feed it to the front of the button. And now you have your thread here. You can wrap it around a few times like this. And that will make a nice strong little stem for your button that will go in the buttonhole and make it nice and sturdy. Now you just take your needle and feed it back to the back of your fabric and make a couple of knots, and you're all done.